U.S. Navy receives aircraft carrier boost. The United States, which has the world's largest aircraft carrier fleet with 11 in service, will soon begin building 2 flattops in a single dry dock concurrently for the first time. Huntington Ingalls Industries. The largest military shipbuilder in the U.S., said on Tuesday that its Virginia-based Newport News shipbuilding division has successfully transferred the mid-body hull section of the 3rd Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carrier, the Enterprise, on October 31. More than 100 million gallons of water filled the dry dock, which floated the Enterprise's hull section for the first time, allowing it to be transferred from the east end of the dry dock to the west end of it. Where the warship will continue its construction. Meanwhile, the Enterprise's sister ship and the 4th ship in the class, the Doris Miller, will begin its assembly at the east end of the same dry dock in early next year, marking what the shipbuilder called a historic first dual construction of the Gerald R. Ford class. China. Which has the world's largest navy with more than 370 ships and submarines, is reportedly working on a nuclear propulsion system for a carrier-sized warship. All of the country's 3 flattops are conventionally powered.